It's time to make a drawing for your cutting board. You're going to need a couple things. You'll need a ruler, you need a pen or a pencil, and you'll need a piece of paper. No, 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 not that kind of paper. Come on, you guys. Do better. No, no, not that kind of paper either. For this drawing, you'll need some graph paper.
Find a piece of 1/2-inch graph paper from the file drawer. Start with a border around your cutting board. It helps to use the lines on the graph paper. It doesn't have to be exactly the size of the paper. Draw some lines to show the strips of wood that you want to use for your cutting board. You can use the lines on the cutting board or you can measure them. Just don't make it too complicated. Now pick the kind of wood that you want to use. There's a couple of these we won't use, like fir and cedar. Those are soft woods. I probably wouldn't use poplar either. On these samples, when you flip them over, you can see what it will look like with the finish applied. There's cherry, walnut, and what else will I use here? How about some steamed beech? I think I'll choose maple for my third wood. This is what they'll look like when they're put together finished. Take a minute and organize your board samples on your paper to decide the order that you want. Take a few minutes to do this. It's okay. Once you've decided, write down the name of each wood on the strip of wood on your drawing. Be sure to fill in all the spaces. Now that we've picked our wood we need to finish our drawing, write in the widths of each board. This will help us make our bill of materials in just a minute. Also write the length of the cutting board. This will help us mark our lengths. Now we make our bill of materials. List out each board that you're going to use. If you've got two of the same thing, it's okay to write just 2 at, and then the length, the width, and the thickness of each board. And for this, we'll just use 1 inch for the thickness. That's it, Matilda. We're done with our drawing. We're finished. Woohoo!
Wait a minute. I mentioned use a ruler, right? I want a ruler on these drawings. I don't want any of this nonsense down here. Are you kidding me? No way. We're in high school now, guys. We're not doing kindergarten level work. Pencil, pen, ruler. Let's do it right, okay?